Hey, what's up? How you doing? Here I am again. This time I have Yamaha 3-head natural sound stereo cassette deck KX-650. We have 3-motor, 3-head closed loop dual capstan. As you can see, backlight. Yeah, it's very simple, elegant 3-head cassette deck in perfect condition. With one unique option from Yamaha that will help you listen to your tape more in the better way, let's say. I mean, it's really meant previous owner really took good care of it, and yeah, we have remote control. So for this occasion I really wanted just to explain what's good with it. Of course, you got remote sensor, counter is bright and big, and what's interesting, this is not a LCD, this is not a LED, this is some kind of fluorescent backlight display. So we have two lamps at the back of the unit which will put the light on this display. So it's really unique and very sharp and clear, and it's really like new. Of course, for 3-head cassette decks, the most important monitor button. Then you can listen to source and something from the tape. You can see it on display. There is a tape and source notification. Also for recording, MPEG filter, Dolby BC, everything else. It will recognize the tapes normal automatically if it's normal chrome or metal, normal high or metal, and that would be like something that you would find on many other decks. We have simple like buttons for play, fast forward, rewind, record, stop, mute, search. If you go with fast forward and mute search, then it will search for a next track and it will stop and play it from the beginning, which is kind of neat if you have regular cassette tapes. Most of my tapes are mixed, so I don't use those stuff. But what I use when I use this cassette deck is this play trim. I would get more highs or less highs. So what is play trim knob? If you are aware of bias knob, we would use bias knob when we are recording and we want to adjust the type of the tape and the quality of the tape with our machine. So it will record that tape in the best possible way. It will put more or less current and on the bias, and then you will have you actually are trying to make your tape recording to sound as original source. That's what you're doing, and bias will help you with that. I can demonstrate that right away. We don't have to play this tape. We can put some tape and we can record it, right? I'm gonna get copyright, of course, but who cares? So let's say I got a source, and this is the source. Some electronic music, right? And then I'm gonna try to record it. And then I'm gonna listen to the tape. Now it's on the source, now it's gonna tape. So I need more highs. But of course I'm gonna also turn the Dolby B on. And yeah, this is like a really basic tape. So yeah, wrong button, bias. Yeah, sorry about it. I'm watching it my phone, not at the deck. But now you can see the source, more highs, the tape, more highs. So you're looking to adjust it with a bias when you are recording, so your tape will be properly played later. Okay. Source, tape. And that's what you do when you are recording. But wait a minute. What if you want to play tapes that are recorded on some other device? Like this one. Now you have instead of bias, you have play trim that will do the same thing, but when you are playing bad tapes. More highs, less highs. More highs, less highs. So basically play trim would be like an opposite of bias. Bias, you're using bias when you're recording, the play trim when we are playing back the tapes. But it's doing the same thing. You're trying to adjust the sound to be more natural. You wouldn't go and try to make more highs if it's already sounds good. But if the tape is recorded on some other deck, maybe lower quality or azimuth is not correct, this knob will help, man. So this deck would be like a perfect deck for someone who's got a lot of tapes and wants to transfer all those analog tapes to digital, computer, or MP3, WAV, FLAC files. And also for the audiophiles, because it's very neat, in perfect condition. Everything is like new, and you have, like something that is very old, but it looks like new. That's why I'm thinking this is gonna be a really good, and it's very rare. You can find this model on eBay. You can find it anywhere, and even if you find it, the price is, astronomical. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's very hard for me to sell it because this beautiful display and everything. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I am gonna sell it or keep it for myself. We'll see. Take care.